We will go on the record in the matters 25 CM 204, 25 FO 161, 162, 163, and 231. State of Wisconsin versus Jared, I just said it.
Boucher.
Mr. Boucher appears in person without counsel. We're set today in these matters for intakes and an initial appearance. Mr. Boucher, you indicated you're not applying for a public defender. I'm going to guess you do not qualify. Are you looking at retaining your own private attorney?
I'm looking into it, yes.
Otherwise, if you don't qualify for a public defender, you can apply for a court-appointed attorney. That's still a cost to you, but it's a significantly reduced cost. It's the same private attorneys that you're probably calling to try and have retained on the case. They just agree to take these cases at a lesser cost of $100 an hour instead of the $200, $300, $400 an hour. And the deposit that I require is far less than what they would require in their private firms. So if you're interested in that, you would need to fill out that application today. Is that something you would be interested in?
Yes.
And are you employed?
Yes.
Where do you work?
Home electronic systems.
I was going to guess right there.
Yep.
Okay. And do you work full time?
Yes.
And how much do you make an hour?
35.
35. What the court would require on a case such as this would be $500 down, and then it would be $75 a month. Okay.
Okay.
So I get that. Even if you put like $1 million, you own $1 million house free of charge, whatever, that's what it's going to.
One courtroom, dozens of lives paused. Small decisions collide with the full weight of the law. This is how fast freedom turns into paperwork and consequences.
Stay at, okay. Is there an offer that can be presented before he determines if he wants an attorney?
Yes, Your Honor. The offer here is to plead to the boating OWI first and negligent operation of a boat for costs. Dismiss and read on the remaining.
Okay, so now you have an idea of what the state is looking for. You went over this complaint. You received the complaint?
Yes.
And you read the complaint?
Yes.
And do you understand that complaint?
Yes.
And that maximum possible penalties that you face if you are convicted of these matters?
No, I don't know that.
I'll go over all of that with you right now. Count one, it's negligent operation of a boat, water ski, or aquaplane. It alleges on Saturday, June 28th, 2025, in Burnett County, Wisconsin, you operated or used a boat to manipulate any water ski, aquaplane, or similar device upon the waters of the state and county in a careless, negligent, or reckless manner so as to endanger a person's life, property, or person, or the life, property, or person of another. Upon conviction, this is a misdemeanor. Upon conviction, you could be fined not more than $200, not including court costs and fees, or imprisoned not more than 6 months or both. Further, you shall be required to obtain a certificate of satisfactory completion of a safety course, of a boat safety course. And it says if you have a valid certificate at the time that the court imposes the sentence, so at the time, if you were to plead and I would to sentence, if you have a valid certificate at the time the court imposes a sentence under this, the court shall permanently revoke the certificate and order you to obtain a new one. Okay, so don't do it before sentencing. So it would have to be wait until after, and then you would have to do that. Okay. Or what I'm going to infer, and Mr. Vila can tell me if he would object, that if you want to do it ahead of time before any plea and sentencing, as long as it's new after the date and time of this incident up until the date of the plea and sentencing, that would be sufficient and fine because you're doing it in preparation of accepting an offer. But any certificate that you had prior to June 28th, 2025 would be null and void and revoked. Correct, Mr. Vila?
Yes, Your Honor. No objection to that.
Okay, so do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
And so now you have an idea of what the state is asking for. They would be saying as an offer to not go to trial, they would ask you to plead guilty to that count and do those things, but for costs only. They would not ask for any jail time, okay? And they would ask that you plead guilty to the one negligent operating of a motor vehicle, or not a motor vehicle, of a boat. I'm not sure which ticket that one is. But they would ask that you plead guilty. Wait, are you asking for the, what are you asking for, the misdemeanor or for the tickets?
OWI first, which is a ticket for this port, and the misdemeanor. The rest of the tickets would be dismissed. and read
Okay, got it. To plead guilty to that one misdemeanor, again, recommending to the court only the cost as long as you get that new certificate. And to plead guilty to 25 FO 231, that operating a boat with a PAC first, with the $452.50 fine. Okay, so you can think about that. Because you may want to consider that. You may choose not to have an attorney now, but I'm going to leave all of that to you. But then I'm going to give you an opportunity to think about that, but please fill out that application before you leave. If you decide, you know what, I want to do this on my own. I don't need an attorney. I don't want an attorney. Then you won't have to pay that money down, and you can just tell me that at the next hearing.
Got it.
Okay, so you have a lot to think about right now, a lot to soak in, but let me get you a next court date. And you work, if you want to accept the offer of the state and you want to take care of it as quickly as practically possible, we could take care of it at the next hearing that you come to, and it would need to be an in-person hearing. But if you are just going to continue to think about it, or work on that certificate thing or whatever, then at that hearing, you can appear by telephone or Zoom and just say, you know what, Judge, I need a little bit more time.
Got it.
Okay, so January 5th at 9:30, January 5th at 9:30, okay? You can come up here though, they'll give you a written notice, yes?
How does he plea?
Oh, not guilty plea will be entered on your behalf, okay?
Got it.
For all matters.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. You can come and get your notice. Yep, right up here. Okay, there was another individual. Yes, what was your name?
Renell, Weyaus, Weyaus.
I heard the first name. Oh, there we go. We will go on the record in the matter 25 CM 177, State of Wisconsin versus Renell Weyaus. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. We have Ms. Weyaus appearing in person without counsel. We're set today in this matter for an initial appearance. This matter is a possession of THC simple and possession of drug paraphernalia. Before we proceed down the road, Mr. Schmidt, is there an offer that can be presented?
My offer in this case would be an ordinance for THC.
You understand what that means?
I do not.
He's asking the court to amend those crimes to like a ticket, but just one ticket, for a possession of THC ticket. Like if it were a traffic ticket, it would just have a fine. Is that something you want to accept?
Is that gonna consider me losing my license?
No?
No?
Mm-mm.
Okay, I can do that then.
All right. Formal motion to amend
So made.
granted. How do you wish to plead? Either guilty or no contest?
Guilty.
Okay, the court will accept your plea of guilty here today. Would you have the ability to pay $150 today?
After 3 o'clock, I can.
If you promise to pay $150 after 3 o'clock today, I will accept that. Otherwise, it's $330.50.
Yep, I can do it after 3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock, I can. I can be back here at 3 o'clock to pay it.
I'll just say, I'll even give you a little leeway by tomorrow at noon.
Okay.
So just in case something happens, but if you don't, I'll issue a warrant.
Oh my God.
Okay.
I promise I'll go pay it here at 3 o'clock.
All right. So I will assess $150 with the promise that you're going to pay today, $150. Okay.
Yep.
All right. You're free to go. The other matters dismissed and read in.
Thank you.
Thank you. Did I miss anyone who was, you're not going to get an attorney? Okay, come on up, sir. Who are you? Oh, you're Mr. Shablash. Oh, yes. I thought you asked to appear by telephone or something. Maybe not. Maybe I'm mistaken. We will go on the record in the matter 25 CM 189, State of Wisconsin versus Darren Shabayish. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose Vila in person. Mr. Shabayish appears in person without counsel. We're set today in this matter for an initial appearance. Before we begin, is there an offer that can be presented?
Yes, Your Honor. The offer is to amend to a simple citation.
Okay, do you understand what that means? It's what I just went over with the other lady. It's to amend it from a crime to like a traffic ticket.
Okay.
Do you wish to accept that?
I think so, yes.
Is that a yes or I
Yes.
think so? Okay, formal motion to amend
So made.
granted. How do you wish to plead?
Guilty?
Court will accept your plea of guilt. Do you have the ability to pay $150 today?
What did you say?
You'd save a lot of money if you can. What time? By 4 today? No, you can do it out over the phone. Okay, so $150 if paid by 3. If not, there's a processing fee of $7. I don't know how much it is, but okay. So $150 with processing fee to be paid by 3 o'clock today. If you don't pay it by 3 o'clock, I'll issue a warrant. Pay it. Okay,
Sounds like a deal.
all right. You're free to go. Good luck.
Hey.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your
Anyone
Honor.
else that I'm missing that's not getting an attorney? All right, I have Sawyer County Jail. I think it's Christopher Wright. Is that? We will go on the record in the matter 25 CM 197, State of Wisconsin versus Alexandra Fluharty. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose Vila in person. Ms. Fluharty appears in person with counsel Emma Hanu. We're set today in this matter for an initial appearance. Before we proceed down that road, Mr. Vila, is there an offer that can be presented?
Yes, Your Honor. The offer is to amend to a citation.
You understand what that means?
Yes, Your Honor.
Formal motion, do you wish to accept?
Yeah.
Formal motion to amend,
So made.
granted. How do you wish to plead?
No contest.
Court will enter no contest on your behalf here today. Do you have the ability to pay $150?
Yes, Your
The
Honor.
court will assess $150 to be paid here today. Are you still in Bloomington?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, make sure you pay that before you leave, okay?
Okay,
Thank you. We are adjourned.
thank you.
David Gepfert. Well, is there anyone else in that group that is the same stuff?
Yep.
All right, gentlemen in the glasses, come on up. What's your name? Here's what?
Lewis.
Lewis. I heard the L, but where is? We will go on the record in the matter 25 CM 198, State of Wisconsin versus Eric Lewis. The state appears through Jose Vila in person. We have Mr. Lewis in person with counsel Emma Hanu. We're set today in this matter for an initial appearance. Before we proceed down that road, Mr. Vila, is there an offer that can be presented?
Yes, Your Honor. The offer is to amend to a citation.
You wish to accept that? Do you understand what it means?
Yes, Your Honor.
You wish to accept it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Formal motion
So made.
granted. How do you wish to plead?
No contest.
Court will enter no contest on your behalf here today. Do you have the ability to pay $150?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court will assess $150 to be paid here today before you leave. Are you still on, I can't even, it says Rich Dealed Up,
No, Your Honor.
but you're in Minneapolis,
I'm in Bloomington.
Bloomington. All right, I'm just, I don't need your address because you're gonna pay today, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, okay, we are adjourned. Thank you. And you.
That is Kelly Ann Olson, Your Honor.
Thank you. Aren't you glad you guys didn't apply for a court-appointed attorney? I don't know, yours could be a lot more difficult. We're going to trial right now. That's what we're gonna
I'm
do.
ready. We got time, Your Honor.
It'll be fun.
We can make it work. She has,
Any of you want to be a lawyer or a court reporter, or anyone here want to think about that? We will go on the record in the matter 25 CM 199, State of Wisconsin versus Kelly Olson. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose Vila in person. Ms. Olson appears in person with counsel Emma Hanu. We're set here today in this matter for an initial appearance. You're the only one, this is the only case that you're actually on, Ms. Hanu, and I have a notation that she's looking for a court-appointed attorney.
It's me, Your Honor.
Weird all around. All right. Is there an offer that can be presented?
Yes, Your Honor, the offer is to amend a citation.
And I'm going to guess you know what that means.
Yes.
And you wish to accept the offer?
Yeah.
Formal motion to amend.
So made.
Granted. How do you wish to plead?
No contest.
No contest plea will be entered on your behalf. You are entitled to, no, you're not, your jury trial's done. Sorry, I went on robot mode right there. $150, you can pay that today.
Yes.
Pay that today. You're in Iowa?
Yes, that's where I go to school.
Well, good for you. Keep going to school. What are you gonna do?
I'm going for psychology, neuroscience, and education.
My mind went. Good for you. Good for all of you. All right, keep it up. Okay, pay your $150. When you leave, we are adjourned.
Thank
Okay?
you.
Thank you. Y'all here for a party or somebody have a cabin?
Something of the sort.
Oh, all righty. Okay. David Gephardt. We will go on the record in the matter 25 CM 147, State of Wisconsin versus David Gephardt. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose Villa in person. Mr. Gephardt appears in person without counsel. We're here for an initial appearance. Mr. Gephardt has, I think, $400 posted. I think you've posted. You missed court. You didn't have the right date, something of those natures. And
Yeah.
I think you had two, I canceled the first one, so you only have $250, right? Because you were given a different date, some kind of something. So we're here for an initial appearance. Before we proceed down that road, is this one that an offer could be presented?
Yes, Your Honor, the offer here is to amend a citation.
Do you know what that means, Mr. Gephardt?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that something you wish to accept?
Yes.
Formal motion to amend,
So made.
granted. How do you wish to plead?
No contest.
Court will enter no contest against you. I'm going to assess $150. You have $250 posted. Sometime in some way, you're going to get that other money back, okay? Is your address still Unit 3 in Hinckley?
Yep.
Excellent. We'll send it there. If you're the one that posted it, whoever posted it will get the money back. Telephone ends in 1199.
No.
Well, if you don't get the money, call us back. I don't need your number because then you're not going to get in trouble anymore, right?
Nope.
Right, exactly. So if you don't get the money back in, let's say a month, call us.
Alrighty.
Okay, sounds good? All right, you are free to leave. Thank you. Cheyenne Kitchen Master? Is it Cheyenne or is Shane? It's a really cool way of spelling a name, Shayne.
Oh, I don't think I've heard of it. What was the last name?
Kitchen Master. Brandon, why are you here?
Court at 1, right?
I know you could have appeared by video. Well, come on down. How you doing? I heard some good things about you. Well, some fun things that you carved a pumpkin, you cleaned the yard.
Made a fire pit too.
Excellent. Have you ever made a fire pit before? How awesome is that? How do you feel?
Good.
You're going right back, right? Or are you done? You're all done?
No, I gotta go back.
Okay. Who drove you? Okay. And you're going to be all good, right? When you go back? You're doing good?
Great.
Excellent. Come on up.
I gotta wait for Joel.
Oh, Joel, that's right. He's in a, all good. We're all good. All right. Tasia Lightfeather. Well, you do look good. You look really good, Brandon. Mr. Coles. Gerard McKee. Oh, he's not here. Gerard. Oh, there you are. I didn't even see you. If you have Joel Feliski, then you can sit and wait. My calendar doesn't say that. Already did Mr. Moritz.
But I believe he does have Joel.
Yeah, so we can wait. Miss Pinkshaw, Gina Pinkshaw.
She's incarcerated.
Is she? I thought she was in, maybe I thought she was in treatment, but I'm not sure. John Rady, is it Rady? We will go on the record in the matter 25 CM 193, State of Wisconsin versus John Rady. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose Vila in person. Mr. Rady appears in person without counsel. We're set today in this matter for an initial appearance. Before we proceed down the road, is this a case that an offer could be presented?
Yes, Your Honor, if he can show proof of some kind of having a valid prescription for these drugs, I would dismiss, otherwise plead a citation.
So, do you understand what the offer is?
Yes.
If you have a prescription, you can
Okay.
show it to the state and they'll dismiss the matter. Or today they'll amend it, they'll ask the court to amend it to a citation. And you can choose either or, even if you have a prescription, or you don't want to say if you do, or if you don't have a prescription, he can amend it to an ordinance violation for a fine or a fee.
Okay, so I could just pay a ticket.
Yes. Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
Formal motion to amend?
So made.
Granted. How do you wish to plead?
Not guilty, or no contest.
No contest will be
Sorry.
entered on your behalf. Do you have the ability to pay $150 today?
Yes.
Okay, the court will assess $150 to be paid today. If you don't pay it today, I will issue a warrant. Okay, so it's very important you pay it today before you leave. Are you still on Fox Avenue?
I am.
And can I get a telephone number, please?
715-580-1399.
All right. Okay, so once you leave, just go ahead and pay the $150, then you're good to go.
Awesome.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I don't know, I think I'm just gonna close their room. They've been in there a long time. Savannah Vanderbeek. Mr. Sutherland, were you done with me? Yeah, because you're there. When did you get there?
We just wrapped up a few minutes ago.
Okay, I didn't see. We will go on the record in the matter 25 CM 164, State of Wisconsin versus Savannah Vanderbeek. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Ms. Vanderbeek appears in person with counsel Emma Hanu, who is making a special appearance on her behalf here today. We're set for an initial appearance. Ms. Hanu, were you able to go over the criminal complaint with Ms. Vanderbeek?
I was not. Attorney Feliski was. We would waive formal reading and enter not guilty pleas.
Not guilty pleas will be entered on your behalf. You are entitled to a jury trial. You would be entitled to a speedy trial should you request one. Let's get this. So whose case is this going to be?
Your Honor, we just have to run some checks first. It will likely be a staff attorney, either myself or Attorney Feliski or Attorney Sherwood.
Just give me 1 second. All right, January 5th at 10, January 5th at 10.
That'll work for somebody in our office, Your Honor.
Excellent. Thank you so much. January, and whose did I say this was? Is this, okay, I did it right. No, I didn't. I put it on the wrong date. Put it on Mr. Vila's date. What? Sorry. Yep. I'm sorry. We can take time. I looked wrong. December 19th at 9:45. Does that work?
Same thing. It'll work for somebody, Your Honor.
All right, December 19th at 9:45. We will see you then. You can come up and get your notice, Ms. Vanderbeek. Mr. Feliski, are you going to make a special appearance for Mr. Sutherland? We will go on the record in the matter 25 CM 202, State of Wisconsin versus Trent Sutherland. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose Vila in person. We have Joel Feliski, Defense Counsel, in person, making a special appearance on Mr. Sutherland's behalf. Mr. Feliski, were you able to go over the criminal complaint with Mr. Sutherland?
Thank you, Your Honor. I will first note that Mr. Sutherland does qualify based on the information provided. It's my understanding that he did receive a copy of the complaint in this matter. It seems he understands the charges here and what the maximum penalties are. So we will be waiving formal reading and enter in pleas of not guilty.
Not guilty pleas will be entered on his behalf. He is entitled to a jury trial. He would be entitled to a speedy trial should he request one. Mr. Sutherland, are you still on Russell Street?
Yes, ma'am.
Telephone ends in 4114.
No, ma'am.
May I get an updated telephone number, please?
715-431-0393.
Maybe send you text message notifications of upcoming hearing dates.
Yes.
January, that's a Monday, but can you do Mondays, January 5th in the morning and at 10?
That will work, Your Honor.
Yes. January 5th at 10 a.m. January 5th at 10 a.m. All right, we'll see you then. Thank you. We are adjourned. Mr. Coles. Where can I find it? We will go on the record in the matter 25 CM 221, State of Wisconsin versus Brandon Coles. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose Vila in person. Mr. Coles appears in person with counsel Joel Feliski. We're set today in this matter for an initial appearance. Before we proceed down that road, is this a case where an offer could be presented today?
Yes, Your Honor. The offer would be to amend to a citation.
Is that something you wish to accept, Mr. Coles?
Sure.
Formal motion to amend.
So made.
Granted. How do you wish to plead?
No contest.
Court will enter no contest plea. I'm gonna assess $150, okay? That'll be tacked on to any plan. It doesn't need to be paid right away, but if you can, pay it, okay? If not, that's fine. It can be tacked on. All right. Thank you. We are adjourned. We will go on the record in the matter 25 CF 148, State of Wisconsin versus Jacob Hazelton. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Mr. Hazelton appears in person with counsel Nicholas White. We're set here today in this matter for an initial appearance. Mr. White, were you able to go over the criminal complaint with Mr. Hazelton?
Yes, I have, Your Honor. We went over the penalties there, including the mandatory minimum. And the impact of a felony on his record if he is convicted. We can waive further reading there. We're not asking for a preliminary hearing. We could waive time limits on that. And I think we're just asking to have a status hearing about a month out, or?
Are you waiving the prelim completely?
Just the time limits.
The time limits. So what I'm going to do is I am going to set it for a preliminary hearing, and we can have a status at that time. And if he wishes to waive, he can waive or whatnot. And I'm sure you're going to be updating the court. You're going to be doing some investigation into his OWIA, his 1, 2, 3.
That's right, Your Honor.
And you paid your deposit, correct?
Correct.
Excellent. Thank you. So about a month out. I could do you're coming back December 9th, it looks like, at 10 o'clock.
That's right.
But that's on an ADA week, but yes, I can have him come a separate day. It's going to cost Mr. Hazelton more money. I could do December 18th, and I can do 1:45.
That works for me.
All right, December 18 at 1:45. If it is going to be a waiver of a preliminary hearing, just let the state know early enough so they can call off their witness, okay?
Okay, understood.
And if it is a waiver of a preliminary hearing and a status, both of you can appear by video.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you. You can come get your notice and you're free to leave. Any other clients, Mr. White?
No, not now. Thank you.
Thank you. We are adjourned. Mr. Oyat Belial, Oyat. Did you apply for a public defender?
Yeah, they're looking one for me right now.
Okay, and so they haven't found one yet?
No.
And so are you pretty much going to ask to have the matter probably moved to another date to give them some time?
I'm coming back in December 18th, if anytime open on there.
Usually don't push them out that far. I will, but I can't, I have to do it at 1:30. December 18th at 1:30. All right, you can come get your notice. Ms. Fleckner? We will go on the record in the matter 25 CF 151, State of Wisconsin versus Dominique Fleckner. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose Vila in person. We have Dominique Fleckner in person with counsel Emma Hanu. We're set for an initial appearance. Ms. Hanu, did you go over that criminal complaint with Ms. Fleckner?
Yes, Your Honor, she understands the maximum possible penalties and we would waive formal reading.
Not guilty pleas to the misdemeanors?
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary hearing within time limit?
We will be waiving time limits, Your Honor.
So with prelims, it can go any day. So with prelims going any day, I guess I will just do it on. Can you do the 18th?
Of December, Your Honor?
Yeah.
What time?
1:15.
I'll make that work, Your Honor.
Actually, the initial appearance shouldn't take that long. Hopefully they have an attorney. We can double book it at 1:30, but 1:30 on the 18th.
That would work for us, Your Honor.
All right, so 1:30, December 18th. So we'll see you then and get your notice.
In court, speed feels like mercy, but it's still judgment. Most cases end quietly, not with drama, but with compliance. The lesson is simple. Preparation matters and ignorance costs.